My mum and my auntie used to watch this show called Tutti Frutti, which is kind of based in Glasgow, but there's like parts of it that are based in the Glasgow School of Art. I remember like just drawing or colouring in on the floor. My mum and my grandpa were watching it. They were like doing the thing like, we've been there. And I was like, where's that? And she was like, oh, that's the art school. And I was like, what's an art school? And I think I must have been 4 or 5. And she was like, that's where you go to like learn how to be an artist. And I remember like a rage going through me being like, I'm just hearing about this now. Like, are you serious? You've told me this before. And then from that kind of then on, I was like, I'll probably do something else, but I'd really like to do that kind of thing. I think you become kind of addicted to being like in this little imagined world as well, which is kind of a bit surreal that this is now my adult job. You know, it feels like it should be like something I should do at like a playtime or something, but this is like my adult job. But I think I got to like a stage where I was like, there isn't any going back from this now. This takes up so many hours in my life that it's kind of, I have to make it my job, or I have to find a job that is like 1 hour a week but really well paid. I'm originally from the Vale of Leven in Dumbarton, or West Dumbartonshire, and people kind of mistakenly kind of clock you as like Glaswegian all the time, and I'm like, I'm actually not from Glasgow. I think it's like such a unique wee place, and it's so informed by, like, it's not really quite Glasgow, it's not really, we're very informed, I think, by the Highlands. We're kind of just like our own wee thing. You're kind of bred to be funny, you're kind of bred to be very sociable, you're bred to be very like, a lot of stories and stuff. The kind of patter goes, or the way that the stories go, it's like a specific kind of rhythm, and I think that I see like a lot of that in my work. And I think like also the kind of backdrop of like all the kind of social issues is really always at the forefront of my head, and I think it's because of the kind of the backdrop of the Vale and the back, like everyone just kind of looking out for each other, and it's not a question, you know. But I think, yeah, the Vale's definitely informed me a lot. I think whenever you move away, you can kind of feel like you've lost a bit. But I was saying to like my boyfriend, like, oh, maybe I'm not very like Dumbarton anymore, and he like burst out laughing. He was like, how you speak, the words you use, like everything. He's like, you absolutely are. I think also like I'm literally painting stuff from home, so like I've been talking about it a lot over the past like 6 months. So I think it's kind of physically reflective in that way. I would really like to keep making it very accessible and kind of show people who are from the same like background as me. This can be a very normal job. There is no shame about having 2 or 3 different jobs at the same time. If you're like painting, but then you're also working in admin, or you're also a teacher, or you're also whatever. And that's it. There's no pinnacle of art. Everyone will tell you like this is the best and that's the best and blah blah blah. At the end of the day, if you're being expressive in any way, that's it. You've done it already. There's not a good or bad way to do it. You've already done it, and there's no way to like complete art. The best advice I can give you is understand how your brain works. Everyone's brain's going to work differently, and I've known a lot of artists for a long time, and everybody has different processes. There's not one way, and anybody telling you, oh, you have to have this, or this isn't the best, or whatever, again, like, they're kind of projecting onto you, because anybody who really loves art wants as many people to do it as possible, and anybody who really sees the benefit of doing it wants everybody to do it. You know, like, if you have any enjoyment out of this, go and get it, go and take it. Nobody else can draw for you, no one else can paint for you, it has to come from you.